Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I just want to talk about being thankful for the things that you have in your life and how that pertains to your own personal mental health and just think about all the good things you have in your life and all the positive things you have in your life, whether it's your family, your friends, your health. Maybe it's your income, you're doing very well, but always look to the good things that you have in your life and always remain positive, because it's very easy in this world today to get really down. There's a lot of things in this world right now that can really bring you down, and my channel's all about helping you guys to stay positive in a world going crazy. I think videos like this are more needed, more now than ever before. But yeah, I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my nieces, my sister, my brother, my mom and dad, and all the good things I have right now. I'm thankful for that I'm able to make some extra money on the side doing my online business. I'm also thankful that I got a new car, a car that I know, I had to put, my car payment's a little bigger than it was before, but I think in the long run it'll be worth it. I have a more dependable car. I'm looking at this car accident that I was in a few months back as actually something positive, because in the long run it gave me the ability to make, because I knew that car I had before, my Hyundai Sonata, it already had 192 miles on it, and the exhaust system was starting to go and everything. So when I look at it, yeah, it was a little bit of an inconvenience, and it was kind of a traumatic experience going through that, but in the end, everything turned out fine. I honestly believe most of the stuff that we worry about in life usually never comes to fruition. It never really happens. But that's why I always try to, in every circumstance, I try to remain positive. So yeah, just be thankful for the good things you have in your life, and always try to look on the bright side of things. Like my situation right here, if I didn't get hit by that car, I probably still would be putting money into that car. But because of the money I received from my accident, which definitely was not my fault, my car got totaled by a drunk driver, and luckily I didn't suffer major injuries, but it all turned out to be okay. And I really want to keep making videos like this on top of my online business videos, because I want to help people, help them to keep pursuing and staying positive in life. And you will know in my videos I'm not scripted, so I may make mistakes in my videos. The only time I really try to edit my videos to be perfect is usually when I'm doing a tutorial video, because people need to, I want to help people learn how to do things when I'm doing my tutorial videos. So I definitely want to make those ones as perfect as possible. But like I said in other videos, I always do my videos like I am talking to a family member, someone I love or care about, and I really do care about my subscribers, whether you join my online businesses or not. I just care about your own well-being, and I care about you remaining positive and staying true to yourself and just pursuing the things that you want out of life. So that's what this video is all about, is just being thankful for all the good things you have in your life. I am thankful for last week. I went on a vacation. I went down to Cape Cod. Yes, I live up here in Massachusetts, but I had a great time, and I was thankful for the great things that, even though it wasn't sunny all the time, it was mostly cloudy and windy. But that first day, I was out. I was out in the ocean literally for like 3 hours. It's so peaceful. It was. I was. There wasn't a lot of people out there because it was kind of crappy weather, but it was really peaceful, and just being out there and looking at the vast sky and the endlessness of the ocean. It was just very peaceful and very a good place to like meditate and recollect different things I want to do in my life, in my future, and how I want to grow my YouTube channel. And I just want to keep on making more and more videos because of some certain private things in my personal life. I haven't been making the amount of videos I've been wanting to, but I really do want to start making more videos like this and other videos. So I just recently finished doing my full review video on my new car. What was I gonna say? For some reason, my phone timed out on me, and it stopped during the middle of the video. So it's going to be cut up into part 1 and part 2. But the first part is mostly the exterior of the car. Part 2 is mostly the interior and all about the controls and how everything works in the car. It's a really nice car. I love it, and it's nice to just have a car again. I went 3 months without a car, and so it's really nice to have a new car again. I am going to get started back to my day job again within the next week or so. And right now, because I have some extra money, I'm going to kind of ease into it, enjoy my summer a little more. I've been working hard a lot over the last 4 years, so this has been kind of like a vacation for me. So, but I'm really excited of things I have planned in the future, and I look to making a lot more videos. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate if you could like this. Again, I am unscripted. So this video, like this video, and also comment below. I want to start engaging more with my subscribers, and I have some ideas for other channels I want to start myself, and I will let you guys know about those channels as I keep building my presence on YouTube. I absolutely love doing videos. I really do. And I thank God for giving me the ability to overcome my fears of making videos on YouTube. If I can do videos, you can too. So, and it doesn't take much. You can just do like what I'm doing right now. If you need a practice, just practice doing videos on your phone, and just talk to people like you are talking to a friend or a loved one. That's my secret. That really is. So be thankful for all the good things you have in your life, and keep moving forward. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Hit that subscribe button below, and next to that subscribe button is a little bell. Make sure you hit that as well, because you'll get notified when I upload new content, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.